Hello guys, this is just a little short tutorial for those that are looking to do their brakes on 2021. Well, this is actually a 5th gen 4Runner right here, so it actually starts from 2010 I believe all the way through current model. So I'm doing the brakes here, and if you're looking to save some money and do it yourself versus going to the dealer, I'll show you real quick how to do it. It's just gonna be a short video explaining how to do it. So bear with me because I'm recording with one hand and trying to do the rest with the other. I'm gonna use this vice grip tool right here, and you might need some needle nose pliers, but I'll do as much as I can just with one hand with what I have, and hopefully you're able to do your own brakes. In my case, my rotors are already a little bit warped, so I'm gonna pull them out, but right now it's just, the video is just focused on changing your brake pads. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clamp it right here, just to decompress the caliper a little bit. And as you can see, it's gonna decompress a little bit. Just keep an eye on your brake fluid reservoir so it doesn't overflow, and do it slowly. Don't try to decompress it all in one shot. And you can do both sides. As you can see right here, I'm doing both sides. See, and you can see a little bit of the gap already opening up right there, and they should be loose enough for you to pull out your brake pads. So here is one clip. This retainer clip here goes in there. You can see right there where it's at. So make sure you put it back exactly how it goes. Take pictures, you know, take a little video. This other clip here, have a good look right there where it goes for reference, how it goes. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. If not, here goes nothing. So here comes this one. Make sure you save it. Unless your brakes come with extra hardware, don't worry about it. And here's the other one. See how easy I'm pulling them out with just my bare hand. Then these guide pins right here just come out like that, just like that. They should be coming out easy. You pull these out. These brakes are kind of like a sport vehicle type of brakes, not like the old school ones. And look at how easy these brake pads come out. Look at that. Look at how easy. And then your new ones should be inserted like so. They just slide right back in there. Line up the holes, put your pins back in, and put, very important, make sure when you do this pin down here, you gotta insert this the way that it was so that you can put the pin through it, and make sure you put it the way that it was when you took it off. And then last but not least, the most important one is this one here, because this one keeps these pins from coming out and your brake pads from just falling out. So very easy. It might look complicated, I promise it's not. So there you go. That's the easy brake, regular brake job without the rotor for a 5th gen 4Runner. So good luck and save yourself some money. One more thing, I am using 2 jacks and jack stands for safety. Safety first, don't forget that.